Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can quickly set up your Zelle account. So here is how you can get started. So first, go to the transfer and pay, go to here, and then these will appear. So you just have to click on Zelle from here at at the second to the last. And then tap on review and accept the terms of service. And then you just have to complete your enrollment. So once you have reviewed and accept the terms of service, you will see an enroll or get started from there, and then you just have to tap on it. So select the US mobile number or email that you would like to enroll with Zelle. Then select the account that you would like to use as your primary account for sending and receiving money with Zelle. So just a note that Zelle supports US mobile numbers only. So if you have a foreign mobile number registered with the bank, you will be asked to enroll with your email. So now is after you're done with that, you just have to enter the verification code. So they will send you a 6-digit code so you can verify your mobile number or your email. And then once you're done with that, once you have input the 6-digit code, you are all set. So you can start using Zelle to send and receive and also request money. So just a quick tutorial also on how you can receive or send money using Zelle. So you just have to go to transfers and pay just like earlier. So here you will see it from the bottom next to home. So once you click on that, you just have to tap on Zelle, select. And then once you tap on this one, you will see select send or receive or so request. So tap on send. Then you just have to select the recipient. So select the US number or email that you would like to enroll. So just as like earlier that I've said. And then you have to enter the amount that you want to send and then enter a note, but this is just optional, so you can skip on that. And then submit. So you will see a confirmation of your payment. So in most cases, the money is available to your recipient in minutes. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!